Losing body fat is a common health and fitness goal. Everyone knows that improving body composition is easier for some than others. Many genetic, epigenetic, and environmental factors may contribute to these differences. Evidence linking single genetic variations to fat loss with exercise remains limited, but two genetic polymorphisms worth noting are located in the LPL and ADRB2 genes. LPL encodes an enzyme called lipoprotein lipase. The ADRB2 gene encodes the beta-2 adrenergic receptor. Both genes have well-known roles in fat utilization and metabolism. In a study of 741 subjects, Caucasian women with the LPL G allele exhibited greater reductions in body mass index, fat mass, and percentage body fat after 20 weeks of endurance training compared to those with the CC genotype. African American women with the G allele also exhibited greater fat loss, but this was more specific to visceral fat in the abdominal region. None of these associations were significant in men. A subsequent study examining ADRB2 gene variants found that women with the A allele were also more successful in losing body fat over a 20-week period of endurance training. More research is needed to explore these associations in other populations.